Why does the world feel dumber, even though humans are smarter than ever? Why are geniuses disappearing and clowns going viral? If you feel different, isolated, left out, psychology says that might be the first sign of real intelligence. Let's expose the truth. Today, you'll learn 6 powerful psychological reasons why intelligent people are decreasing and how to protect your mind before it's too late. Ready? Let's rebuild your advantage. Point 1. Intelligence is no longer rewarded. Studies show popular beats intelligent, loud beats smart, entertainment beats knowledge. A genius kid might be writing code. Meanwhile, someone dancing on TikTok earns millions. Schools don't reward creativity. Workplaces promote obedience. Social media promotes performers, not thinkers. Result? Smart people stop trying because nobody cares. What if intelligence is still here but hiding? Stay with me. Point 2. The internet is reprogramming our brains. Every swipe destroys focus. Every notification kills patience. Every short video trains us for instant dopamine. Psychologists call it cognitive shrinkage. The brain becomes too restless for deep thinking. We used to solve problems. Now we Google every answer. We used to read books. Now we barely finish captions. Intelligence isn't disappearing. Attention is. And attention is the fuel of genius. Point 3. Smart people are becoming outsiders. Here's the truth. Intelligence comes with a cost. Overthinking, sensitivity, loneliness. When you see what others ignore, people call you weird. You think differently? They think you're difficult. So smart people isolate themselves. Less socializing equals fewer opportunities. Fewer opportunities equals less contribution to society. The problem? We're losing quiet geniuses. Point 4. Depression is killing potential. Psychology shows intelligent minds are more likely to feel anxiety, depression, existential fear, meaning crisis. Why? Because intelligence means awareness. You see the world's chaos too clearly. Instead of building something great, smart people spend years fighting their own minds. Brilliance turns into burnout. How many Einsteins are suffering silently today? Point 5. Society promotes pleasure over purpose. Smart minds grow through boredom, deep thinking, silence, struggle. But modern life says, why think? Just scroll. Why learn? AI will do it. Why improve? Just enjoy. Instant pleasure destroys long-term potential. Intelligent people get trapped in comfort. What happens to a mind that never struggles? It shrinks. Point 6. Genius needs friction, and we removed it. Every great mind in history faced hardship. Tesla, broke. Einstein, school failure. Newton, isolated. Jobs, rejected. But today, one problem and we give up. We avoid hard jobs, hard emotions, hard learning. No struggle, no strength. No pressure, no brilliance. We aren't losing intelligence. We're losing resilience. Let me give you bonus tips. Intelligent people haven't disappeared. They're choosing to stay hidden. Psychology reveals a new type of genius, the quiet-minded strategist. They don't show off, chase attention, follow trends. They observe, they build, they wait. You might be one of them. And this world is terrified of minds like yours. So now tell me, do you think intelligence is decreasing or just hiding inside minds like yours? Comment, I'm not losing my mind, if you're fighting to stay sharp. If you want to rebuild your brain, your focus, your true potential, subscribe, because we don't let smart minds disappear here.